In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of wirelessly transferring files from your Windows 10 laptop to your Android phone using FTP. Whether you're eager to share photos, videos, or essential documents, this tutorial is designed to be your go-to solution for effortless and efficient cross-device file sharing. Without further delay, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you need to install an FTP application on your phone. Open the Google Play Store and search for FTP server. Install the one with the exact name Wi-Fi FTP server. Launch the application after installation. You can click on the Start button immediately. The application requires permission to access all files on your phone, necessary for transferring all files from your phone to the laptop using this method. Grant this permission to the application by toggling the button. Now, go back to the application. You'll see that the server has started. Remember or copy the URL address of the server. Now, enable the mobile hotspot option on your phone. Let's move on to the laptop. Connect to the mobile hotspot of your phone. My hotspot is Honor 50. Open this PC. Right-click on an empty space. Click on Add a Network Location. Click Next. Now, choose a custom network location and click Next. Enter the URL address of the server that I told you to remember. Click Next. Click Next again. Finally, click Finish. As you can see, we've accessed the folders and files on the phone. For demonstration purposes, I'll copy this audio file from the laptop to the phone. The procedure is standard: copy and paste. This process may take a few minutes at times. The same applies to copying files from the phone to the laptop. Simply find the file or folder on the phone and copy it to the laptop. I hope this video helped. Subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials.